Joe Witt, and I'm the owner of Joe Witt Construction, and we work for good people is what we do. What our main forte is and what most people hire us for is single-family custom homes, but we've also got a portfolio of investment properties. We also do industrial and a little bit of remodeling, but mostly what we do is custom single-family homes. We don't have to build big multi-million-dollar glamorous houses. We're efficient no matter whether it's a big house or a small house, and I think that that's a passion of mine. The one thing about my company is the fact to where we have a culture that when you're on one of my jobs, everybody's got their head down and they're working. They're passionate about what they do because they've chose to do that. This house is awesome. The very first thing we did was we laid 2x4s on the ground pointing to the view corridors. We sent a drone up in the air and we took a snapshot of the lot pointing at those view corridors, and then we sketched out really blocked out a simple floor plan that totally encapsulated the views of Timpanogos and of Snake Creek, and then we got Curtis Design Group on board really quick and they took it from there. What I really like about those guys is the fact where there's no drama. They're what you want. They do what they say and they say what they do. They have a great relationship with the engineers they work with. It's pretty smooth sailing, honestly. This house is probably the opposite of cookie cutter. A lot of the more masculine energy goes straight to the boat garage and the fact that there's a separate space to store all of your stuff. And that's going to allow you to keep the main garage extremely clean. The butler's pantry, that's the heart of the home. It's very spacious. It's got a stand-up crawl space with a mechanical room that's accessible to everything underneath it. It's already built in with the RV pad and a boat garage and an apartment and a pickleball court, and the landscaping's completely done, and there's views out of every window, and there's an office that's going to have awesome morning sun and great afternoon shade with its own little patio terrace that's semi-private. They're going to love that. I'm super proud of this house. I'm proud of the team that made it come together, from myself, from the architects, the designer, the realtor, and all of the subcontractors in between. This house has a good feeling about it because good people worked here.